Hello everyone and welcome to Veganise Anything. Today we will take a look at how to make fresh and super tasty marinara sauce. Let's take a look at the ingredients we're gonna need. They're all fairly basic. We will just need to stew and peel 4 large fresh tomatoes and a cup of vegetable broth. Now set the stove to medium heat and in the saucepan or deep skillet add 5 tablespoons of olive oil. Heat it up and add 2 cloves of minced garlic. Add 1 teaspoon chili flakes. Move it around a bit and cook for a few minutes until the garlic starts to turn brown. Now we will add our 4 large fresh stewed and peeled tomatoes. You can use canned tomatoes as well. Stir and crush them a little. Don't worry too much if they are still a little hard. You can crush them later on as they get softer. Now add 1 cup vegetable broth, 2 tablespoons tomato paste, and give it a stir. Add 1 cup water, 4 basil leaves and 1 bay leaf, half a teaspoon pepper, 1 teaspoon salt, and finish it with 2 tablespoons of sugar. Now, stir it properly and crush any remaining tomatoes so they break apart completely. Bring to boil, then turn the heat all the way down to low, cover with the lid and simmer for approximately 30 minutes. Don't forget to stir occasionally. Now it's time to take all the basil leaves and the bay leaf out. Check the consistency. It should be fairly thick, not watery. Give it a try, and if needed, adjust the taste to your liking. And that's it! Your marinara sauce is ready. Pour some into a bowl over pasta or as it is. You can eat it with some fresh or toasted bread, and boy, it is a treat. The rest can be refrigerated or frozen for later use. But don't worry about it now. Go and enjoy your freshly cooked marinara. There are a lot of marinara recipes out there, but we find this one working out for us the best. You can post your favorite version of marinara sauce in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss anything. There's a new video up every week. If you want to do good to feel good, also consider liking and sharing this video, or perhaps the whole channel, with all your friends. And as always, last but not least, remember, you can veganize anything. Enjoy, and see you next week.